Hey guys, Zulu here. Today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect omelette. Before you start to cook an omelette, you need to be organised. If you do this, it makes your life a whole lot easier, a lot less stress involved. It means you'll be more free, you're organised, you know what you're doing. Omelettes are so versatile, guys. Today I've finally created some nice mature cheddar and I've got some ham. Once you're sorted, once you've got everything organised, get yourself a medium-sized bowl. And for one omelette, I'll recommend about 3 to 4 eggs, depending on the size. Today I'm going to be using 4 eggs. And just crack it on a flat surface. Now get yourself a whisk, and you've got to whisk this up properly, like properly beat it. To break the eggs up. By the way guys, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to click the subscribe button so you don't miss another video. Right guys, get yourself a 9-inch non-stick pan. If you haven't got one, buy one, invest in one. They're worth every penny. You can use them in so many different ways in the kitchen. I'll place a link in the description for the pan I'm using today. And I'm going to add roughly about a tablespoon of butter, about that much. The secret to a good omelette should be silky smooth. It should be like a creme brulee, melt in your mouth. That's the ideal consistency you're looking for. So guys, we want to gently melt the butter down. Very important. Make sure the heat is on low. Once the butter has all melted down, you're going to pour the eggs in. You don't want to sizzle at this moment in time. The secret to making a good omelette, guys, is to make sure you keep the eggs moving at all costs. Starting off the heat low, gradually working your way up to medium heat. Think of it as driving a car. You start them first, then you work your way up the gears. Guys, you've got to continuously mix the eggs. If you don't do that, the eggs won't cook evenly and you won't get that perfect texture. When you're making scrambled eggs, don't rush it. Slow and steady wins the race. Right, at this stage, you see how it's gone lovely and creamy. You're going to take it off the heat now. And you're going to reform it back into a thin circle, just like a crepe. Filling all them holes up. Now it's time to season it. Bit of pepper as well, totally optional. If you don't like black pepper and you still like the taste of pepper though, use white pepper, it's a more delicate flavour. Now it's time to add the filling of your choice. I like to evenly spread whatever I'm using, so then you get a bit of every bite. We place over low heat just to finish off the omelette. Guys, this stage takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Just keep an eye on it, peeking every so often. Just make sure you're not cooking it too long and you're not getting too much colour in it. Guys, when you come to rolling the omelette up, don't rush it. Don't be aggressive because this omelette is very delicate. Take your time on it. Enjoy the process and enjoy this classic French style omelette. And there you have it, guys. An omelette done, cooked to perfection. Spot on. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like always, give this video a like. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification icon right beside it so that you won't miss another one of my videos. If you got anything specific you want me to make, please down below in the comments. And that's it for today. Take care. Oh, look at that. Look at that bad boy, eh? It's a banger.